In this video, we're going to talk about TOGUARD CE45A 4K dual dash cam. I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and we're going to go over the features of this camera, and I will show you the video quality that you can get from this dash cam towards the end of the video. So stay tuned. Okay, some of the feature of this camera is the dual channel 4K and 1080p camera. So you can use one for inside the cabin and the other one for outside. The angle is adjustable. It does have the parking monitor. The parking monitor will keep your car guarded when it's parked. Secure your car with additional eye. It also has the G-sensor lock. With G-sensor lock function, any unusual shaking or rapid acceleration and deceleration will be recorded. It does have 170-degree wide angle view. Okay, let's go ahead and open the box. Camera right here. We'll get to that in a bit. The power adapter plug right there. Pretty standard. We have some tools to install the camera inside the car, and we have the mount for the windshield. And here is the camera by itself. So as you can see, you can adjust these lenses for the front and the back. You can use either or. This one is 4K and the other one is 1080p. So you're gonna use the 1080p for the inside and the 4K for outside of the car. And we have some function buttons in the front, and we have the LCD to monitor the captured footage. On the top, we have the USB for power, and we have the AV jack for, I'm assuming, audio, I'm not sure. And the back is for mounting. On the right, that you're gonna put your memory card to record the footage. I'm gonna install it on the car, and we're gonna go over some of the features.
Yeah, as you can see, the front camera shows, the 4K camera shows the front, and the 1080p camera shows the inside of the car. I think the viewing angle is pretty good right now, but if you want to change it, you can tilt it up and down, like what I'm doing right there. Tilting with my hand, tilting up and down, just to find the perfect angle. And for the inside, you can do the same thing, just tilting up and down, so it doesn't tilt left and right. If you want to do left and right, you can just tilt the whole camera. I think that's good if you want to, basically, if you got pulled over, I'm in the passenger side, so if you pulled over by the cop, and if you want to record your conversation with the cop, you can tilt it towards the passenger or on the other side. You can tilt it to the right side as well to record everything. That's pretty much it as far as the viewing angle goes. We can go over the menu to see some of the features as well. Okay, so right now the resolution is 4K and 1080p, and we can select 2K and 1080p, and also 1080p and 1080p for outside and inside. The reason for that is if you lower the quality of the video, you're gonna have more room on your memory card to record longer footage. That's the only reason you want to do that. Right now I'm just gonna leave it at 4K and 1080p just for the sake of this video. Another important option is loop recording. So if you do loop recording, you have a couple of options. It's 1, 3, and 5 minutes. And what that means is the video is gonna cut into 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute videos, just because if anything happens, the footage is not gonna be lost. I usually put it at 5 minutes, but I think it's a bit risky, because if you go into an accident and something happens to the camera, you're gonna lose the last 5 minutes, and that's not the sure thing, but it might happen. So I guess 1 or 3 minutes would be the best option. So G-sensor is the option when an sudden acceleration or deceleration or shaking to the car happens. for the accident, the camera locks the footage so you don't lose it. So right now you have different options, low, medium and high. So that means if the shake or stuff like that are very low, it's gonna be activated, or medium or high. Remember, before you use the camera, always format the memory card so the camera use the best optimal option for recording. So that's it as far as the menu function goes. We have power on, power off, and every time the car turns on, it will automatically start recording, so you don't have to worry about turning it on and off every time. And usually the screen will goes off after a couple of seconds, so it will not be distracting for the driver. Right now I'm gonna start capturing some footage from the camera, and I will show you guys the video quality during the day and night.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, first subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will answer the questions to the best of my knowledge. See you guys in the next video.